Okay, Tin Hau Temple at the foothill of the Mao Sek Hill facing Eastern Bay. Let me see. So this was, I'll tell you more about it in a minute. It is actually part of this, and we're gonna just walk up into it and kind of show you what it looks like. It's kind of cool. We're at this area called Pescadores, which is up that way. There's some buildings there, but it's but it used to come down to the ocean, and I think this would be like on the ocean side historically. Anyways, let's go show you what it looks like, and we'll put it up on the map first so you can see exactly where it is. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, this is like a cultural site, right? Like, so they'll have a little thing. So it's like part of the landscape. I wish I could tell you all about everything that's here, but I cannot. But I do see, like, basically a lot of these come from Fuzhou, and this one is on the water coastline as well. So it's so the whole Guangdong coast and Fuzhou, Fujian province. Fuzhou is a city, and Fujian is so a lot of people were up and down this coastline. So Macau has a lot of history with also the goddess of fishermen, and I don't know if this is 100% is, because I'm not versed enough to know, but a lot of the stuff that I see here is stuff I see in other places in Macau, so I'm gonna assume there's a connection. There's a little moon gate, goes right into the other world here. I do see these in Macau as well. I think this particular one, I think I heard in one of the typhoons there was some damage that was done, and I think it's up here, so we're gonna see about that. I think it would be up in this area, which we're gonna go to as well. So we'll just go right up to the top and get a good view. Oh, okay. So I think there's a way to go up there as well. Maybe we have to go around like that. But here's a little bit of so let's go around this way. Okay. These are Guayin and kind of various other ones, but I do see these as well. Not all of them. The one on the left, I'm not familiar with the one on the far left. That's Guayin, and then this has a very motherly feature, and I think it's like goddess of the fishermen, which is Mazu. Maybe somebody can correct me. I didn't grow up with religion to know all the nuances. I grew up Catholic, so if there's anything Catholic related I would know. And I think I heard that this one was affected by a typhoon, and I think there used to be access up to that side too, but I think that this, I can try to get over there. And this overlooks the historically it would overlook the water. So we're gonna see if we can what we can overlook on this side. So yeah, over there is water over there. There's a reservoir. There used to be ocean, and they made it into like a freshwater reservoir. I can see a little bit of it through the trees, but I think through the camera you wouldn't get I couldn't make it any more clear really without to be really respectful and careful. Okay, so I think I can go through this moon gate, and we'll see if there's another way up. So I think this one was once able to go up to that space. So I have filmed in here before, and I think you can follow this and go up to that top. And I think the typhoon damaged this tree. So maybe that's as far as we can go. I do love these moon gates. Okay. Let's go through the moon gate. It's like a transport into another world. You can feel it. Feels like that. It's like yeah, you can feel it actually. Okay, so this is kind of the base of it. And then we're just gonna go through all the parameters that's allowed for us to go into. So I'll go down this way as well. Oh, they're feeding a cat right there. This is Macau Water Company over there. And then Pescadores, this goes up onto a hill. It's like, it's called like Dona Maria. It's like a hilltop. There's like a little Mother Jesus up there. There's also Guyan statue. You can, there's always, throughout Macau, I think that one is known for the Mother Mary one. But there's like kind of, Macau has a nice mix of like the feminine imagery of Guayin. I think her name, sometimes it's like Mazu. It kind of there's like Guayin and Mazu. Mazu is related to fishermen. Guayin is, feels like it's like a, I feel like they're like, I just couldn't tell you. My feeling is that Guayin feels like it's like a different one. Those are like guardians. Okay, there's a lot I don't know, but you can always educate me. It's always good. I want to learn, of course. It's all one big learning process anyways. But yeah, it's so beautiful. Love these temples and such like this in Macau. Anyways,